Schützenreihe geht. 11 geht, Schützenreihe geht. Schützenreihe geht. Jo.
So you can start your march north on Viper towards the rendezvous.
Yes.
Good to go, and we'll wait here with one troop.
And then we meet at the rendezvous.
Yeah, I'm going to join you with Tristan. Yeah, I'll be all the way in the back with Tristan, yeah?
Alright.
And get your signaler.
Yes.
I don't want to see you without him again. Yeah?
Yes.
Come here.
Fast!
Yeah!
Gerade! Was ist los, Brat? Ausgefallen! Was hast du?
Done. Done.
Ich hab bis zu dem Bunker alles recht.
You ready?
Stretch your team, move forward.
Mini, that is stretcher team on location. Need to get the casualty and move it back to CCP now, over.
Ja, klappen die waterpitje zak eromheen. Maken we een burgerdump. Dan gaan we met z'n allen weer terug naar de weg. Gaan we de beveiliging uitzetten. Dan komt de burgemeester in een voertuig aan. Dan gaan we de vehicle checkpoint uithouden. Ach, gaat wel van de kist mee.
Ja, daar hebben we het al in de buurt van.
Zeg maar, rap je shit helpen. Help je machtschutter even. Tassen tegen elkaar aan.
Je kan aansluiten tot me!
Well, the joint warrior exercises are going on for quite a while, but this one is pretty special because it is another scenario. We are looking at a scenario under the Article 5 threshold, so there are a variety of challenges posed upon us and we have to act. And it's not the big classic warfighting scenario, but it's probing here and there, and it makes it very challenging, very difficult to plan and very difficult to execute, but very rewarding if everything goes according to plan. And Scotland always provides some challenging situations that are excellent for training, but we are here for our own readiness, but also in this bigger NATO exercise in which a number of allied nations are taking part to train together. And we are here with 2 amphibious ships, helicopters, a battalion of Marines, landing craft, etc., to make this amphibious operation possible here in the northern part of Scotland. We need to stand together as a team, and we need to understand each other. We need to train each other and together so that we know what we are doing, and there's a base of trust as well, and that's very important if we stand together as NATO.
I haven't had that much opportunity to deal with other nations' forces, so it's been a really, I guess, enlightening opportunity to me to see the Dutch, how they operate, how they train, start to understand the differences between us, and it really just makes you want to work with other nations again, because it's such a great both training opportunity and it's so essential for how we conduct ourselves in actual operations abroad in the future. Working together allows us to have a lot more capabilities than we would by ourselves. That's absolutely crucial. There's no point having all these capabilities if we don't know how to use them and how they're going to work in the real world. So exercises like this allow us to iron out any kinks we have and actually see how we move forward.